Have you ever wondered how websites are built? It's like a magic show where web developers are the magicians, weaving intricate spells to create the digital realms we explore daily. They're the architects of the internet, designing, building, and maintaining the websites we know and love. And guess what? With a sprinkle of dedication and the right approach, anyone can learn to cast these spells. So how does one become a web developer? Let's dive in. The first step in your journey is learning HTML and CSS. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website, providing structure and organization. It's like the blueprint to a house. Now, CSS is the interior designer, adding colors, fonts, and spacing. It breathes life into the HTML structure, turning a bland web page into a visually engaging experience. With these two essential languages under your belt, you're already on your way to becoming a web developer. Once you've mastered HTML and CSS, it's time to take your skills to the next level. Next on the roadmap is JavaScript, the language that brings websites to life. Picture a website as a car. If HTML is the car's body and CSS its paint job, then JavaScript is the engine that powers it. It's the coding language that adds interactivity, making your site more than just a static page. Now let's talk about JavaScript's trusty sidekicks, frameworks. These are tools like React and Angular that can significantly speed up the development process. They provide pre-written JavaScript code to handle common tasks, so you don't have to start from scratch each time. But knowing languages is not enough. You also need to understand how everything fits together. The final piece of the puzzle is Backend Development. This is the engine room of a website, the unseen magic that powers all the interactive features you interact with on your screen. It's where data is stored, retrieved, and manipulated to bring websites to life. Backend developers use programming languages such as Python, known for its readability and efficiency, and Node.js, recognized for its non-blocking, event-driven architecture. They work on servers, databases, and applications to ensure the site is functional and efficient. Remember, a website's beauty lies not only in its front-end design, but also in its back-end functionality. With a grasp on both front-end and back-end development, you're well on your way to becoming a web developer. So, that's a brief roadmap to becoming a web developer. We started by peeking into the magic behind websites, then dipped our toes into HTML and CSS. We delved into JavaScript and its empowering frameworks, and finally, we navigated the complexities of back-end development. As you continue your journey, remember to keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep creating. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your web development journey today.